Making music was never a success, but I'm happy for this gift, and yes, I am blessed. And I will have my head high and my plan set, looking forward to a new beginning that will never be an end. I wanna shout out to my haters for making me even stronger. I'm the shit now, go ahead and hate me even longer. I was born as a star, I am known as the best player. Now I'm heading to the top, so I'll tell them see you later. These bitches apologize, cause they don't wanna get dissed on. Apology not accepted, you ain't shit, so you get pissed on. Repping myself, go ahead and read the snapback. I'm your biggest monster creeping in your dreams and your flashbacks. Bad luck is my definition. Claiming that title is part of my mission. Doesn't matter what I gotta do, even if I step up to bigger competition. Bet you're thinking, what did I step into? Say I never lose, I advance to the next opponent. I say, fuck off to these fake rappers that never show it. Another Asian, surprising you with his flows. I'm the leader of this game, so I'm going to tell you how it goes. Fuck the fame, I'm gonna make it with the one-hit wonder. I'll just be like these other rappers making YouTube covers. Say I stand tall and say fuck you and who you wanna be, cause you wannabes will never ever get as far as me. Yeah.